Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can draw custom shape in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the insert menu and I'm going to choose shapes option here. And if you want to draw custom shape, you can select this icon, freeform shape. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the shape like this. I'm just going to draw a random shape. Okay, now it's done. And then you can customize the shape. For example, you can change the shape outline. I'm going to change it to purple. And for the shape fill, I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw custom shape in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!